Hi love, in this video I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig, taking it from this right here to this which you see here. If you want to see how you can revamp your wavy wig, your bouncy wig, then please keep on watching this video to wash it and restyle it to get the longest lasting curl. So the first thing I'm going to do is to wash it. Of course, I'm going to pour water all over the hair and use this Trust Me Flawless Curls shampoo to wash the hair. You will notice that I literally emptied the entire container on this week because man, my product has finished and unfortunately I haven't even had time to go to the market. And the prices I'm hearing from the market is that Trust Me shampoo in Lagos, Nigeria now costs 8,500 naira. 8,500 naira for Trust Me shampoo, from 4,000 naira to 8,000 naira in the space of how many months. Inflation in Nigeria has just been so insane. So regardless, I just poured water into the container, shook the container, and I emptied the rest of the shampoo all over this hair to wash it to be clean. And after I just emptied the entire product all over, I just kept on massaging the wig to ensure that I really get a good wash and the hair is completely thoroughly cleaned. And next, what I'm doing right now is just rinsing off all of the dirt, all of the products that is in this wig, and I'm going to keep on rinsing it until the water is clear. Then we would proceed to the next step, which is going to be conditioning the hair. But I'm not going to condition the hair until I've gotten this hair to be completely clean, and we would go to the next step. So yes, so after I'm done with rinsing out the shampoo, I'm going to condition the hair right now using this Trust Me 24 hours volume conditioner. And you notice that of course I'm forcing the product out because man, I ran out of products and I have to adjust the new price. I have to buy the new product. The new prices, I don't have a choice. So I'm going to use this keratin hair treatment, which is the Moroccan argan oil keratin treatment. I'm just going to apply it generously all over the hair, and after applying it generously all over the hair, what I'm going to do next is to apply castor oil. I'm going to use the cover, like the size castor oil that fills the cover of that bottle. I'm just going to apply it all over the hair and use my hands to massage the product all over the hair. And after I'm done massaging the product all over the hair, it'd be good to brush through the hair while after I massage through it. But I didn't show the part of brushing it through, so what I'm just going to do is put the hair in a microwave to heat it up for about 3 minutes 30 seconds. And next I brushed through the hair, then I rinsed off the product that was on the hair. And after rinsing off the product, I just tried to ensure that the water that was coming out of the wig was clear, so that I don't have any products build up trapped in the weft area, and just to ensure that the hair itself takes in the nutrient it needs to take from the products that I've used and it's completely clean. Then next I'm going to ventilate this area right here before I start styling it. And yes, I already ventilated it right now. I air dried the hair. That's the reason why it looks dry right now. After I finished rinsing of that product, I air dried it, and this is what the hair looks like after it's been washed and air dried. So what I'm trying to do now is to style it, and I sectioned off the upper part of the hair, and I'm going to apply that Moroccan argan oil to the bottom part of the hair. And after applying it, I'm going to spray this protectant spray all over the hair. And we're going to start styling the hair after we've sprayed the heat protectant spray. First, I'm going to just comb through the entire hair and cut out the small section and start coiling it using that hair coiling wand. Oh lord, I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I realized that I hadn't straightened it. So with the particular curl pattern I'm doing, I want to first like straighten the up parts, and then it curls out what is going to be on the bottom part. That's the reason why you notice that I'm not coiling the hair all the way to the up part. I'm only coiling the bottom part. I would use the hair straightener, it's rather the coiling wand, to run through the up part of the hair. And when I get to the bottom part, I start coiling it. And after the bottom part of the hair has taken the heat, I hold that coiled parts together and I clip the coils away. Then I'm going to take another section of the hair, comb through the hair, run through the up parts with the hair coiling wand, and then I start coiling the bottom parts after I'm pleased with how straight the up part of the weft is. Then I'm going to keep on coiling it until all of the hairs that I want to be coiled in has been swallowed up by the coiling wand. And then I'm going to hold the coils up there for the hair to receive the heat for about 30 seconds to about 1 minute. And then I'll take off the hair from the coiling wand and clip the hair away. And this is what I'm going to do you notice that I cut out one section of the hair because the way I styled this hair to be like in sections. Like the bottom part is longer, the middle part is not as long as the bottom part, and the upper part is not as long as the middle part. So you notice that I'm going to also curl the hair in the same sections, because when I drop the hair, you notice that the hairs, as I drop them, the hairs are on the same level on how I section it off. Yeah. So after I'm done coiling this one right here, I'm going to watch me curl the last hair, and then I'll move over to the next section of the hair, starting the next section of the hair. If you're watching this video so far and you like it, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section what videos you want to see. If there's any part of the video you don't understand or any questions you have, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to you promptly. Yes, promptly. And if you haven't purchased my ebooks, how to start your hair business ebook, hair extensions, and how to test its quality, these ebooks are available on my website. The links are in the description box, so please purchase these ebooks to learn all you need to learn about the hair business. So let's get back into styling this wig. So I'm almost done with styling this particular one right here. I'm just touching it to ensure that the hair is taking the heat, and when I'm pleased with how hot the weft is, I'm just going to clip it away and then move over to the next section. So you notice that I'm on the next section of the hair, and I already curled some parts of it. What I'm going to do now is just to curl the rest of the hair, and then we'll transcend to the next. Did I say transcend? We'll move over to the next section of the hair. I don't know why I'm tired today, guys. Living in Nigeria is so exhausting. Oh my god, I want to relocate. I'm not sure I'm about to even start. I'm not ready to start a new life somewhere else. So I have to find a way to just keep going right here in Nigeria. I have to find a way to persist and keep thriving here regardless of what's going on in terms of the economy. We all have to find a way to keep on thriving here, because the same way we are complaining right here that things are getting tougher and tougher is the same thing that's applicable for other people in other parts of the world. So it'd be better for us, if you're in Lagos, Nigeria, or any other parts, wherever you are in the world, it's better we find a way to thrive. Except, let's just say that you're in a situation whereby you don't feel happy, you don't feel fulfilled, like you feel like you're so sad that you can't really stand being in that place anymore, then I think you should relocate. But then if you've not gotten to that point, you're just trying to find a way to make ends meet, just keep on applying yourself and finding creative ways in which you could expand your sources, your streams of income, and hopefully favor knocks at our doors. Yeah, so you notice that I've curled most part of the hair right now, and what is left is just the closure area, and it's basically the same product that I use, the heat protectant spray, the Moroccan argan oil hair serum. I comb through the hair, I take a small section, then I use the hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area, and I take that small section of hair again, and then I start to coil it with the coiling wand. Yes, I use the coiling one, sort of straighten it a bit, and then I start coiling the bottom part to achieve that bottom curls that I actually want. Yes. So after coiling this particular hair right here, I'm going to clip it away and then coil the hair on the other side of the wig. If you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, else I will not be happy with you. Give this video a thumbs up, please, and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. If you haven't bought my ebooks, any of them, and you're watching this video and you're also not subscribed, and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, waiting happen, waiting I'll do you. Make us speak broken for once. What did I do to you? Please subscribe, like the video, purchase my ebooks, or even buy a wig from me. I sell wigs on Instagram at ENL Beauty Hair. This is where I sell my wigs. Even on my website, buy a wig from me. How are you going to support me? You just watch my videos and you don't want to support me in any way. Please join our family, either on ENL Beauty Hair, join the queens there that wear our wigs, or just join this YouTube community here. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for liking my videos and just supporting me in any way that you can. Sharing these videos with somebody else is also going to get value out of it. I sincerely appreciate you. Don't have to do anything, but you chose to, and I sincerely appreciate you, and I praise God for you. So this is basically the last strand of hair we are going to be coiling, and we are done with the coiling process. So I'm just going to use that hair coiling one to just straighten the up part of the hair, and for the bottom part I'm going to start coiling it right about now. Yeah, just watch and see how I coil it. And when the coiling wand has taken up the entire hair all the way to the tip, I'm going to hold it up for a bit so that the hair takes the heat well before I then release it and clip it on top there. I hope you really watch to see how I curl my hair. It's not a process that I can really describe per se. It's just something you watch and you glean from what I'm doing. So this is, I left the curls on the hair. I left the clips on the hair for about 2 days before I took them out. And I took them out one after the other. I take out the inner clip and the outer clip. You notice that I actually used 2 clips for each of the strands. If I even had more time, I would have even liked to even leave these clips on here for about 1 week. The secret to having the longest lasting curls on your hair is leaving the clips on for longer. The curls are going to last a whole lot longer if I left the clips on for long. So what I'm just doing right now is just combing it up part of this wig, and then I'm going to use my styling wax, that's the hair wax, to lay the flyaway hairs on the closure area, comb through the hair, and use the hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. And we would be done with this hair in a few seconds. Yes, just flatten the hair around the closure area until I'm pleased with how it looks. And yeah, and also don't forget the back of the wig. You want to comb through that area and also apply little heat on the back of the hair so it looks smooth and very glamorous, because this particular hairstyle, by the way I call this hair, is actually a very glamorous, classy, elegant look. So you want to ensure that you finish the entire look by taking care of the back of the wig as well, just to ensure that the hair looks nice. Just see how it looks, really, really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with somebody else who's also going to get value out of it. Look at how we started and look at how we ended. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget, people would have courage to live a positive life, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, love.